Kia ora tātou, ko Emma Brown tōku ingoa, I pakeke mai au ki Tāmati Makaurau. Engari no ngā puhi, ngā timaru me Ngaitarangi hoki, I am a chemical and materials engineer. Chemical and materials engineering is finding engineering solutions using chemistry and materials knowledge. It's basically being a full-time hotosu. You just pull things apart and figure out how to put them back together eventually. I chose it because it was a specialisation that you didn't have to have any prior high school knowledge in. It was a very level playing field, and so all of us came in with little to no knowledge of what it was, and it turned out I turned to be naturally inclined towards it. I'm doing a lot of study at the moment with arthritis, so I'm basically a full-time butcher now. We do a lot of work pulling apart limbs and taking the cartilage off them, and looking at what makes it so special and how it functions so that we can make replacement limbs that are just as good quality. Where do I start? There's a huge need for it. I think as a society, when you look at how our populations are made up, there's a huge need for engineers that are empathetic towards the needs of the communities that they're working in. And I think empathy as a skill should be taught, but of course it's a lot easier when you're familiar with the surroundings that you're working in and familiar with the cultural needs and values that you're trying to improve. A large chunk of surviving through this period of study is about who you know and how well you lean on those networks and draw on the knowledge of people around you. It's not just about how much you can do on your own.